Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open Settings on your iPhone to start activating Clipboard access today. Tap Privacy to see permission categories and scroll to find Clipboard or screen recording. Locate the app you want to allow and toggle the switch to enable Clipboard access. If prompted, choose Allow while using App to limit access to active use. Return to the home screen and quit the app to apply new permissions immediately. Reopen the app and test copying and pasting to confirm Clipboard activation is working now. Sign into the same Apple ID on both your iPhone and other Apple device. Enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices and keep them within about 10 meters. Turn on handoff by opening Settings, tapping General, then tapping AirPlay and Handoff and enabling handoff. Copy text, images, or links on one device and switch to the other device within a short time window. Use Paste as you normally would to retrieve the universal Clipboard content quickly. If Paste fails, toggle Bluetooth or Handoff off and on again. If Clipboard does not work, first update iOS to the latest available version. Open Settings, tap General, then Software Update to install any updates. Clear the Clipboard by copying empty text or a single space to reset stored data. Restart your iPhone to clear temporary system issues that can block Clipboard access. Review keyboard settings and third-party app permissions in Settings to ensure Paste is allowed. If problems persist, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for device diagnostics and further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.